So we have learnt in our schools that glaciers hold water, and drought is caused why? And more we research on deep-sea exploitation. Who study about them are called marine archaeologists, also known as maritime archaeologists. Got excited? So yes guys, today we are going to talk about some enigmatic curious facts. So please watch till the end and hang on, wear seatbelts because we are diving deep. Number 1. Do you know glaciers hold how much water in them? Glaciers and ice sheets hold about 69% of the world's fresh water. Just over 96% of the total amount of the world's water is held in its oceans, according to Water in Crisis, a guide to the world's fresh water resources via the United States Geological Survey, USGS. However, that's primarily saltwater. To find the bulk of the world's freshwater, you need to trek to the poles, as 68.7% of water it is encased in ice caps, permanent snow, and glaciers. Number 2. Do you know the fastest gust of wind ever recorded? The fastest gust of wind ever recorded on Earth was 253 miles per hour. Hang on to your hats because this isn't your average windstorm. In 1996, a tropical cyclone named Olivia hit off the coast of Barrow Island, Australia with such a force that it broke an incredible record. According to the Weather Channel, Olivia's eyewall produced 5 extreme 3-second wind gusts, the peak of which was a 253 miles per hour gust, which blew past the previous wind record of 231 mph set in Mount Washington, New Hampshire back in 1934. Number 3. Which country has experienced the most dangerous drought? Recent droughts in Europe were the worst in 2,100 years. Europe has been experiencing serious dry spells and extreme heat since 2015, which has caused major droughts. Research done led by the University of Cambridge and published on the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration website looked at isotopes in the rings of old European oak trees in Central Europe which formed over thousands of years to try to pin down the cause. They discovered that the dry spells are a result of human-caused climate change and associated shifts in the jet stream, according to Eureka Alert. Number 4. Where can we get the best place to watch the rainbow? The best place in the world to see rainbows is in Hawaii. If you're an avid rainbow gazer and want to get your fill of the beautiful phenomenon, look no further than the state of Hawaii. A study published by the American Meteorological Society in 2021 noted that the area's mountains produce sharp gradients in clouds and rainfall, which are key to abundant rainbow sightings. Air pollution, pollen, and a large amount of cresting waves also help to put Hawaii at the top of the list when it comes to rainbow quantity and quality. Number 5. Did we discover a new and varieties of plant species? There are fossilized plants in Greenland under 1.4 kilometers of ice. Around 80% of Greenland is covered by the Greenland ice sheet, which Britannica explains is the largest and possibly the only relic of the Pleistocene glaciations in the northern hemisphere. But has it always been so icy? Well, at the bottom of a 1.4 kilometers core sample, which was taken in 1966 at Camp Century during the Cold War, researchers found well-preserved fossil plants and biomolecules, which means that the massive sheet melted and reformed at least once in the last million years. Can these be at the Jurassic period? Comment down below what is your opinion. Number 6. Do whales sing song, or how do they communicate? Whale songs can be used to map out the ocean floor. Fin whales are basically the Barry White of the ocean. The deep, bellowing songs that males use to attract mates are considered to be the loudest of all marine life, and can be heard up to 1,000 kilometers, 600 miles, away, according to Scientific American. They can also be used to sonically map out the ocean floor thanks to the fact that the sound can reach depths of 2.5 kilometers, 1.6 miles, under the water, which bounces back and provides researchers with accurate measurements. Beyond that, a 2021 study in Science showed how using a fin whale's song can be far more useful and have less of a negative impact on sea life than using a large air gun, which is the typical tool researchers rely on. Number 7. Can you believe new creatures are found in deep sea and volcanoes? New creatures have been found in deep sea volcanoes. Finding previously undiscovered organisms in the depths of the ocean may sound like something straight out of a sci-fi horror film, but a 2020 study of a deep-sea volcano near New Zealand, published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences of the United States of America, uncovered over 90 putative bacterial and archaeal genomic families and nearly 300 previously unknown genera. Some research has linked hydrothermal vents, like deep-sea volcanoes, to the origin of life. So are we looking at the early signs of future land dwellers? We'll have to wait and see. So guys, I hope you did like this video. Then please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to all, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.